Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a carnival look. So I have one eye already done and I'm going to do the other eye on camera. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, I am Mosai and I'm not gonna be talking much through this video. I'm just gonna be playing like some music. I'm not sure if I can play soca music because I know YouTube always like flagging everything. So we're gonna see. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscription button. Do not forget to like and give my video a thumbs up and ask me anything in the comment section. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. Yeah, I have a little carnival top. I can't show it too low down here. It's just like R-rated stuff there. I think after I put on the feathers and everything and finish up the look, yeah, I'm going to be letting you guys see the entire thing. So I'm going to be using this gem from Craze, and I got it set for $15 at Pennywise. Yes, I got it for $15 at Pennywise. So yeah, on camera, and I'm seeing the beauty of all this glitter. It's like so weird. I have to really upgrade the camera. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna finish the look off camera. Just gonna complete the other side, finish the look off camera, and then yeah, we're gonna talk. Yes. Alright, straight into it. Right, so we cleaned up that cut crease. There wasn't much to do because I layered the color a little easier. I had to keep watching this camera. Lord, this camera trying to give me some sort of heart attack. Right, so I'm gonna now add the pink powder there. I don't need to put much powder because the glitter, the chunky glitter from Craze is going to go above it. So now I'm just going to apply the glitter glue, Craze on. Right. I need to do the same on the next side as I'll wing it out. You know, that BVS Glitter glue get me around trouble. You didn't like me. And I've had it for a while too, so that could be why. A small line. Ooh! Right. Alright, so yeah, now I'm gonna apply the purple to the bottom of the eye. God, this thing looking so good. And it's just not coming off like that on camera. I don't know what the fact is wrong with these cameras. Right. Right, so now I'm going to apply the lashes and add mascara, and I'm going to be right back.
Eventually.
Alright, so I don't want to stay all day adding gems. So now what you would see is that I put on a little bit of gems on the side of the face where I had the glitter. And now we're going to do the lips. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Sacha Intense Velvet in my lips. Just so you adjust it. You tell this camera to adjust. Right. And real pink boy. Woo! A pink, pink, pink. Right, so usually with Sacha, you have to really like build the color. So I'm gonna put another layer. And this is another local brand. Right, so to tame down this pink, I'm going to be using the Pink Craze Lip. Here lip. Glitter glue. Yes, it's crazy. Right, so we're going to be putting this all over the lips. Oh my god, this thing looks so good. I don't know why I'm not seeing it on camera. And then I'm going to dab in a little bit of purple. And this is the BVS Cosmetics Glitter. Their glitters are amazing. Yeah. I see bigger glitter, honey, bigger, honey. What are you doing there? Right. Oh, what the hell are you saying? I used the wrong thing. I'm supposed to use lash glue. Alright, so now, and this is the look here. We're not doing that yet. Let me just fix the hair and come back with my feathers. Masuka. Ah, yes, guys. So this is the final look. Yes, I love it. It looks so nice in my costume. Hey, what you want? We want Masuka. Bam bam na 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 na. This even the money base. So guys, this is the look. This thing came out so hot. Now this costume was from Fian Lyon's section that she had from Fantasy. I would have played in that section that year, and I had to say I really enjoyed myself. I love the vibrance in the colors, and you know, the idea of the costume was really good. I'm so sorry Fantasy has come to an end. Oh, you know, you didn't put no blush. Do I even need blush? Everything just so going on from my face. I don't even think I need blush, but I bitch just be doing. I just be doing the most. Yeah, a little blush ain't gonna kill nobody. Yes, so that was the iconic London blush that we got in Boxy. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. I did de-glitter on my lips. As I said, it's not really coming off good on camera, but I'm gonna have pictures up for you guys to see. And I'm also, what else? A small little video. If you're looking for pictures on the look, check me out on Facebook, on my Facebook page, Mosai Robinson, or on Instagram. Say Mosai Robinson, or is it Robinson Mosai? I think it's Mosai Robinson. Yeah. So yes, guys. So thank you so much for joining me. Under my eyes, my eyebrows look like I need highlighting. I don't do the most on camera. Oh, it look good so. It look good so. Yes. Oh God. Give me the work, give me the work. No, I like that song from Kiss. I come for this work, so sign me up. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna do another Carnival look, but not so glittery. Something, you know, simple for you guys who really don't like too much glitter. And yeah, glitter on the lips, glitter on the lids might be too much. So we're gonna swirl it. We're gonna put this on and pop in. So thank you guys so much. I'll leave in the description box a list of all the items I use. So yeah, see you guys on the next one. Bye.